Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Alright, here's an amazing coin vanish you can do anytime and anywhere. Watch, check it out. All you do is place the coin in there, and you're going to squeeze hard enough that you blow on it and it completely vanishes. I'm going to show you how to bring it back. Watch, check it out. All you do is just reach in, close your fist, and if you squeeze hard enough, you can open it up and you can see the coin comes right back. Isn't that cool? And I'll tell you how to do it right now. And now for the secret. Alright, here's the secret. The secret is really easy. Watch. All you do is when you put the coin in your hand, you close it and you squeeze hard enough, it really doesn't disappear. The secret is right here. Isn't that cool? It's an easy trick. Watch. Make sure your hand in the back is a little bit wet. That way it sticks better. But anyways, you reach in, place the coin in the palm of your hand. When your hand closes behind, you're going to slip the coin and slide it right there in the back. And then all you do is just wiggle your fingers and it disappears completely. Isn't that cool? To bring it back, you put your fingers, close it, reach behind it and pull it right out. And then as you open your hand, the coin is right there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it and have